we're going to be going from basic to baddie. So if you want to learn how to get these DIY nails, keep on watching. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get some salon style nails at home, DIY, strictly DIY. I know everybody is practicing social distancing right now. Your favorite nail shop is probably closed and you want to get your nails done, so you don't know what to do, but I got you, sis. You can do them yourself. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys what I have here. So I have the French manicure set, which is an ombre French manicure. I just thought these were really cute. I got these from Walmart, and I'll have the link to everything listed below if I can find it. I actually got most of the stuff in store when I had went to run to get groceries. I ended up picking up this stuff. This was like before the whole craziness started. Coronavirus! Because I do sometimes do my own nails at home, but some of it was purchased online, so I'll have the links to what I can find below. Anyways, let me show you guys what I have. I have my nail polish remover here, which is just basic plain nail polish remover. You can get this at any store or online if you can find it. I have my clear top coat here. I have my glitter top coat as well. So I have my rhinestones here. I have larger rhinestones, which I have these on hand already. I found these actually at Hobby Lobby, but you can get any type of rhinestones. I actually have the set here that I found online at Amazon. It has like a whole bunch of different sizes. When I open it up, I'm going to show you guys everything that's in there, but it comes with tweezers and it comes with like the applicator that makes it easier to apply the rhinestones. And I also have my nail buffer, have a nail file, nail glue, and that's pretty much it. So all right, so real quick before we get into the video, I just want to show you guys these holographic rhinestone nails that I did. This was the original tutorial, but unfortunately the footage got deleted. But if you guys want to see a tutorial on this, comment below and let me know. All right, anyways, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to wash and prep your nails. These are my nails. They've been washed and prepped and clipped. Now I'm just going to file them down just like you normally would at a regular nail shop. All right, and I also forgot to mention that you are going to need tape. And the reason that you need tape, I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I do to design my nails before I put them on. So I'm using double-sided tape, which if you don't have double-sided tape, just use regular scotch tape. I would recommend scotch tape because you don't want any tape that's like super sticky that's going to stick to your nails. And I will show you guys the reason why. All right, so I'm just opening up the rhinestones here and I'm going to show you guys. This is just an assorted pack that I ordered from Amazon. It has different sizes, just a lot that you can play around with. So the design idea that I came up with, I actually found on Pinterest. I wanted to do like an ombre manicure and I chose to do the glitter and the rhinestone design because I thought those were super cute. To prep your nails just like you would at your nail shop, you're going to trim them down, file them, make sure everything is nice and neat so you have a clean surface to apply your nails to. So these nails come with the glue, but I never use the pack glue. I always end up using my glue, which is a kiss glue. This is a really good glue. It sticks and makes sure your nails won't pop off. All right, and this is everything that comes in there. Those are the nails, as you can see. Just a nice little ombre manicure. What I'm doing here is just sizing my nails. I'm gonna try on each nail to see what fits on which finger. The good thing about these nails that underneath the nail, each of them have a number. So when you match up one nail, you can just look at that number and match it up for the other hand. I have a pen here and I'm going to show you guys the reasons why you need double-sided tape or scotch tape. So you're going to take your tape, you're going to take a small piece of tape, and what you're going to do is wrap it around your pen, and this is going to be a base for you to use to apply your nail. So once you wrap that around, make sure that it's nice and sturdy. And then you're going to pick up your nail and just press it onto there. Make sure that it's stuck on there real good so it doesn't pop off. And then you can just start applying your top coat or applying rhinestones or whatever design. It just makes it so much easier. I have all my nails picked out for each finger, so I'm just going to go ahead and go into the design process. I decided to do a design on my ring finger and my index finger. I'm doing glitter on one and rhinestone on the other. I'm starting with the glitter polish. So I'm going to take the glitter nail polish and just coat my nail a couple of times. And as you can see here, I'm just going to go over it till I get the desired look that I want. So this is the nail and I'm happy with it. So now we have double-sided tape. We're going to just take it, stick it onto our paper here, and we're going to set it to the side and let it dry. So that's the good thing about having the tape on there. You can actually stick it to the table if you want as well. So now we're going to just go and start working on our other design. So I'm just going to touch it here, and my nail is dry. The glitter is dry, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat. I'm just going to add a couple layers of top coat to it just to make sure it's all nice and shiny. And then after I apply my top coat, I'm going to set it to the side. So I'm going to start applying the rhinestones to the nail. So I have my wax stick that came in the pack. I'm going to use that to apply the rhinestones. But before I start, I just want to show you guys these nails that come in the pack already have like a top coating, and this top coating makes it hard to apply glue or rhinestones or anything. So I'm just scratching up the surface. If you decide to do this, be very careful because you don't want to mess up your nails. So what I would recommend is just to scratch in a certain spot that you want to apply the glue to, and then just do that all over the nail. But don't just take the nail file and start scratching up the entire nail because it's gonna look bad. Alright, so I'm just giving you guys a close-up here and show you what I'm doing. So if you have glue that is stuck onto your wax stick, what you can do is just rub it off onto your nail file just to get that excess glue off. And what you're going to do is I'm going to take some glue. I'm going to take some glue and put it on this bag just not to get it on my table. And then I'm going to take my rhinestone picker, pick up the rhinestone, get a little bit of glue on it, and then start applying the start applying the rhinestones in the spots that I want them. And then you're just going to repeat this process until your whole nail is covered with rhinestones, or as many rhinestones as you like. So this is pretty much a repetitive process. You're going to do it for each hand. So same thing, just picking up the rhinestone, putting it into the spot that I want, and I'm just going to do it on each nail until I get it completely covered. This is what it looks like when it's done. Got it covered with rhinestones. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the top coat. And then I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. Alright, so our nails are done. This is what it looks like, you guys. This is the final look. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these nails and just show you guys what it looks like on. So to apply the nails, I got a little bit of nail polish remover here. So I'm just going to take some and put it onto my cotton ball. And then I'm going to clean the surface of my nails. So this is going to get rid of that oil that is on your nails, your natural oils. I don't have a cuticle pusher, so I'm using my nail file to push my cuticles back, and then I'm cleaning it up. And I'm applying glue to get your nail nice and coated. And then you're going to put your nails on, your press-ons on, hold it down in spot, hold it down for a few seconds, make sure that it is nice and sturdy, and there you go. All right, and we're gonna repeat the same process for each nail, and then we're gonna feel it, make sure that it's in place, and then we're gonna keep working on the other hands. And this is what your nails look like, easy and simple DIY without having to spend a lot of money. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.